Hi Jammers, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you the Penguins Only Party, and this party actually reminds me of Club Penguin. I'll be right back. I gotta shut my door. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so anyway, today I'll be doing a tour on the Penguin Only Party, and I'll add some music in the background this time, so you won't get bored. Up here is just the same thing with the snow zoned in. You go up here and you turn right and white, and you can, I missed it. There's a slide here, where you're going to the pool, and you can go up here. And I keep doing it. Let's just go up here. Here we go, finally. Okay, you can go up here and chill. And you can go down here. Oh, there's another slide here too.